Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anna. I wanted to show you, or just share with you for the moment. I am in a swap, and the swap needs to go. We are in groups of 2, and of course I'm including something for the hostess. And I needed to put them into a priority medium flat rate box. Everything has to be, it's a Christmas themed, and everything has to be wrapped for each partner. And I didn't like the way the bag looked with the items in it. So in the next video that I make, I'm going to show you how to make this size box. Okay, it is 3 boxes, and I've already made them and decorated them, but all 3 boxes will fit into this medium flat rate box. So right now they're empty and they're already decorated and ready to go. They are very sturdy, but I'm going to show you how they look in the medium flat rate box. So I'm going to put them in there, and I left a little bit of space between each box for a little decorating because I didn't want to sand just a flat, top on the box. So this is the way they fit into the medium flat rate box. And you know what? I love this size. That's why I'm going to show you guys how to make this size, because after you make your box, everything is secure. It closes great. I mean, no bulging, no bumps. And I simply love the size that I created for this medium flat rate box, because we use this box a lot, guys. And we do a lot of groups of 2 and 3. So I thought this was perfect. That way you guys, next time you guys are in a swap, you can make your own boxes to fit into the medium flat rate box. So, and yes, of course, we can decorate the top and have some dimension to it. It doesn't have to be flat. And so let me go through one of the boxes real quick, just because, just so you can see what my box looks like. So I used some ribbon. And this ribbon, and I see that it did get a little damage there, but I'm going to color that in and it should be fine. So I used like a belly band, and I just used some ribbon to make it. And the box is, what size did it end up at? I think it's like 8, yep, 8 by 5. And so this is just a little belly band that I created to keep the box closed. And there you go. Just made the little poinsettia with a die that I had from last year, some berries, and then this is a from the berry bush or the little berries that I got from the Dollar Tree. So this is the lid. The inside, I'm not gonna line it because I made sure that when I made it, it didn't need a liner. Okay, so these are the sides, and this is the back, and all of them, and it's really sturdy, guys. And then the lid is black, and then I just fussy cut this cut apart from the paper collection that I used. Okay, so I used this collection from last year. It is this Safe Freeze. This was a hot paper buy from Michaels. So it's from Craftsmith, and I used a couple of stickers from the Dollar Tree. And I don't use a lot of stickers, but I kind of like these, so just matted this little this little cut apart, and then I made this belly band to make sure that they stayed closed and they didn't open during shipping. So yeah, there you go, guys. That is my box, and I have 3 of them going in that medium flat rate box. Guys, I will show you how to make that in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Oh, the reason that I needed to show you this now is because this has to go out in the mail today. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day.